this Monday, we've had a lot of clouds around, but the overall feeling is typical for early August. 87 goes down to the official high. However, just in the past hour, we've trended closer to 90, so we'll probably see that change a bit. But I want to point out, this is closer to average for this time of year because we've spent so far the first 10 days of the month. We're in the blue. Temperatures are well below average, and starting tomorrow, we'll be back in the blue again. We'll see more clouds and more showers, holding temperatures down. So right now we're at 87. Southeast region around 7. It's awfully humid with that dew point around 71. So even though temperatures are a little below average, it still feels like it's in the low 90s. Some areas have had temperatures lowered into the 70s where showers have moved on by, but they're not too widespread. Just kind of scattered around, not too heavy. They've been a little less intense over the past hour, but notice the upper level flow is from the southeast off to the north and west, and that's the flow that's steering these showers on along. Showers just south of Cleveland to southern Bradley County, very light, and a few more back to near Copper Hill over around Blue Ridge. Be aware of some downpours, a little bit of lightning at times, but otherwise nothing too severe. These will stick around through the early evening and then start to generally fade out. But starting tomorrow and Wednesday, our coverage of showers goes up a bit. All the clouds and showers to the south of the Panhandle start moving our way with this upper level trough trending back to the north and west. And that's going to keep a better chance of showers in our forecast tomorrow and Wednesday. That'll be followed by a lower chance of showers by late week, and as a result, temperatures get a little bit hotter. In the tropics, things are heating up as well. This is Tropical Storm Erin. Over the next 5 days, the overall projection for the Hurricane Center shows a gradual strengthening into a hurricane and possibly a major hurricane by the time it reaches the western Atlantic. Now, beyond the next 5 days, big question where it's going to go. That's why you see the forecast cone having a lot of uncertainty there. And in fact, if you look at the forecast models, which go beyond 5 days, well beyond the scope of the Hurricane Center forecast, it again shows a west, but then a gradual shifting in track there, west and northwest. So it shows that, by the weekend, early next week around this time, areas around the Lesser Antilles, the Bahamas, Bermuda, even the U.S. East Coast, got to watch that very, very carefully. And we, of course, will be watching that as well. With any tropical system, you got to take it one day at a time. As far as our forecast goes tonight, showers, thunder showers gradually fade out, just isolated overnight. We'll start tomorrow with clouds, and then not just for the afternoon, but anytime from late morning to midday, showers going to start moving in. Some off and on showers and thunder right through the afternoon. As a result, not as hot. Highs low to mid 80s at best. Some areas may stay in the upper 70s with the showers around, and then even a few more coming through during the evening hours. Once we're beyond that time for Wednesday, clouds early, and then we'll see a little more sun peeking through the clouds on Wednesday. As a result, highs will go back to the upper 80s, and then the best shower chance will be more toward the afternoon on a scattered basis. The more we get toward late week, shower chances start coming down. As I mentioned, those temperatures start going up. So tomorrow, expect some outdoor plant interruptions off and on with clouds and periods of showers and thunder showers. Temperatures a little lower than where they were today. Now, by Wednesday and Thursday, it's mainly afternoon thunder showers. Otherwise, a little more sun, a little hotter. And then by Friday and the weekend, it's back to typical August weather. More sun and fewer showers. Highs averaging in the low 90s.
All right, David, thank you.